Hello everyone, I am Tabita Roberts. 29 years old, 2 years ago I moved to a French-speaking overseas department in the Caribbean. It's called Guadeloupe, and I had no idea how to speak French, but I eventually learned, and today I developed this course because I want to teach you how to speak French quickly. But most of all, I want to teach you the basics so that when a French person talks to you in French, you're not like totally terrified like I was. Because I was like terrified. Someone would speak to me and I'd be like, oh my goodness, what to do, what to say. Because at first when you just move there to a different country where they speak a different language, it's totally like wow. I mean, even if you were studying in a textbook before, actually being there and actually having someone talk to you in French, they could literally just say, hey, bonjour, ça va? And it's like, what did you just say? I don't understand. But it's like simple words and you just have to kind of get accustomed to hearing it, get accustomed to speaking the language. And that's what I'm going to teach you today, the basics. So when someone says a very simple sentence to you, you don't panic and you can actually be like, okay, yeah, I know this, and you can respond. So yeah, thank you for choosing this course. I hope you'll join me in on this journey and improve your French or just get started with speaking the language. Yeah, I'll see you in the rest of the course, yeah?